You never know what you'll find in the universe of my mind. Hi! So the original audio for this video is in Acadian French, and so here I am voiceover trying to explain what's happening here. So I did 6 collages based on the 6 in 60 workshop that Kelly over at Collage Lab did. I watched her replay and I did not observe the time limit, the 10 minutes per collage thing. So this first one is a strata composition, and I like it okay, but it seems like something's missing. And then I did another one of that same strata composition, and it's the same issue. It just seems like something's missing. That one is radial composition, and I kind of like it. Grid composition, and I messed it up. There's the original image, and I'm explaining there, I cut my strips incorrectly, and so I didn't actually have squares, and anyway, it was a mess. I do like the idea though, and I'll probably try it again. Cruciform, I don't really like that word, but anyway, I intended to make it more diagonal than it actually ended up, and yeah, I messed up, but I still kind of like it, so it's okay. And again, I might try this one again someday. I might try any of these again someday. Landscape composition. This is the one I spent the most time on. I didn't observe the 10 minutes per collage, but I still did them kind of quickly. And my favorite one was the last one, freestyle, and I chose cool colors mostly because that was what was on my desk. I'll have a link in the description below this video if you're interested in trying this yourself.